welcome to our YouTube channel. We are at aonang night market and this is in Krabi. Not many people prefer Krabi as it is quieter when compared to Phuket, but there are a lot of things that you can do here and aonang night market is something that you shouldn't miss. Let's go inside and explore it together. This is the seating area at the front. A few feet into the night market, we found stalls with Thai, Italian and even Indian food. We were confused by all the options at each stall. It's really overwhelming. Thai people love meat and it is quite evident. Could you guess their second favorite? Yes, you guessed it right. It's coconut. We are about to try the coconut cookies. Just the smell, wow. These are so delicious that I can't get enough of these. These are a bit too sweet, but yum. If you are an Indian living in Thailand, then it's a bliss. Look at those samosas and the tikkas. This grilled potato caught our eye and we stopped here to take a bite. Even though they have other flavors, we chose cheese and garlic butter. Whoa. I'm tasting this one. This is grilled potato with cheese. It's more of Italian dish rather than Thai, but it tastes good. It's a bit too hot for my tongue. We also got a chance to witness Muay Thai or Thai boxing, which is quite famous around the world. We also got to see the Manora dance, a very popular dance form from the south of Thailand. While strolling in the night market, we discovered a variety of stores selling clothes, bags, handicrafts and even souvenirs. We even brought a few of them to take back to Taiwan. After the shopping spree, we went back to the food stalls. Pad Thai is must try if you love noodles. For a second, we thought that this is actually a smoothies buffet. It's just the name of the shop. We are trying this coconut ice cream. Maybe there is nothing special about it, it's just the presentation and too many toppings. Even though I felt a bit weird seeing all this, but Pradeep was really interested, so I took it for him. I have a feeling that he will definitely like this one. How do you like it? Yeah, because it has a lot of peanuts and cashews. Once the foodie in us was satisfied, we rode towards the aonang beach. The road leading to aonang beach from the night market is lined up with various restaurants and sauna stores. Every other restaurant you find in this street is Indian. Right now, Bombay Palace, and few feet away there is one Taj Palace and whatnot. Even though it is a bit expensive over here, there are few stores selling handicrafts which are too cute to ignore. This place definitely has some cool restaurants. And there are so many Indian restaurants that we even stopped counting. We are sure that people living away from their homeland can relate to how much joy just the sight of something as simple as a restaurant can bring. This area fills up our hearts as we go around. No matter how beautiful this area is, we still have to call it a day and go back to our hotel. It's a good morning. And we are on our way to Emerald Pool. We don't know about the destination, but the roads here make us feel as if we are on another planet. We are really glad that we decided to give sand and sea a break. And driving on these roads is heaven. We reached the Emerald Pool and we have to buy the ticket first. It costs about 400 baht per person and we have to go in to check if it's worth it. Even though this place is popular for its emerald pool, you can also find blue pool and crystal pool inside. Unlike us, most of the people choose to come here with a guide.
Swim only emerald pool. Water deep about 1 meter, 1.5, 1.7 meters around the pool.
You have to hike for about 800 meters to reach the pool. But the hike is so beautiful because you have trees all around. It feels like as if you're walking inside a forest. And also you can see the birds chirping. It's very beautiful really. This place is called Samarakot in Thai. This is about 60 kilometers away from aonang, that is where we stay. It took us about 2 hours to come here by motorbike. So plan accordingly if you want to come by yourself. And if you are following a tour, maybe they'll also include the hot spring, the emerald pool and then tiger cave. As we were not interested in the tiger cave because of all the hiking on the mountain, and we thought it's okay. we chose to come by ourselves. This is so quiet and enchanting. You can just come here to enjoy the nature away from all the hustle and bustle, right? Seems like we are just a few seconds away from Emerald Pool. This is a natural spring water that has formed into a pool, and you can also swim over there. Can you see the Emerald Pool? Oh my god, just the sight of this place makes our tiredness go away. This green emerald color is formed due to the limestone that is present inside, and all the water that comes over here is from the natural springs from the hills. This is most popular place where you can swim and also take good pictures. So this is very popular, and they also have trips or tours which are designed around this pool. With the rising temperatures here in Thailand, the best thing we can do is to dip in water. The bottom of this pool is really slippery, so do not try this. This place is definitely too crowded to stay here for a long time. What do you think? Nearby to this place, we can also see that there are some clear water streams running. It could be a great place for kids to play, isn't it? Even though we can also go to Blue Pool and Crystal Pool, swimming is strictly prohibited in those. Going to the Blue Pool requires more walking. This path really seems less trodden. Yay, just 100 meters more. Seems so long though. Yeah, we are finally here. And this is the Blue Pool. It looks like a painting, isn't it? Water in this pool is supplied by a hot underground spring. Let's try to take a closer look. We can really see some bubbles coming from below. The soil below this pool is quicksand, that's why swimming is prohibited in this pool. All we can do here is just click some pictures and enjoy the scenery. We are on our way to the third pool, which is a crystal pool. This completely looks like a crystal clear glass. Just look at all the reflections of the trees. The water in this pool is said to be supplied by Emerald Pool and other water sources. And at the bottom of the pool, it's just mud and debris. Being at this place makes us feel so close to nature that it is worth a visit. This is all about our Emerald Pool visit. We have to plan right now where to go next. Let's go. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos coming up.